Hi everyone, we are excited to share with you more than 20 sample applications that are designed to help you accelerate app development for Qualcomm Linux. These easy to use sample applications are readily available as part of Qualcomm Intelligent Multimedia Product SDK, which is a part of Qualcomm Linux distribution. You can also find these sample applications on CodeLinero. Let's learn how Qualcomm Linux can help you decode video streams from multiple sources and display those on a UI. Applications based on the V4L2 or GStreamer APIs can offload video encoding or decoding tasks to Qualcomm Adreno GPU using the V4L2 API framework. The Adreno Video Processing Unit supports the hardware-based video encoding and decoding for various video codecs. The video encoding and decoding tasks in the Qualcomm SDK are offloaded to the video engines, and this process ensures that CPU and GPU are free for the other operations. The multi-channel applications can take in multiple video files as input and then decode and scale these videos to generate a video wall. This feature can be used to capture feeds from multiple IP cameras and display those on a single screen. So it can be quite useful for a wide variety of use cases such as video conferencing, retail spaces, digital signage, and security. Let's take a look at the multi-channel application pipeline in some detail. On a given channel, the application first reads compressed video data from a file using the file source plugin. Next, the data is demultiplexed using Qt demux plugin. Then the application parses the H.264 video stream using H.264 parse plugin and decodes the stream using V4L2H.264 decoder plugin. And finally, the decoded stream from all channels are composed together using Qti vComposer plugin, and the video wall is displayed using Wayland Sync plugin. With this pipeline in mind, let's learn to run the sample app. Here we have the application running and it shows 4 videos displaying in parallel. This setup could be seen in surveillance or monitoring system, used for security or event management. You can see that the multi-channel decoding application is functioning as it should. The screen is split into 4 parts, each showing the decoded video content from 4 different cameras. Congratulations! You are now ready to use these techniques to develop your own applications for Qualcomm Linux. Please check out our documentation for Qualcomm Linux, the Qualcomm Intelligent Multimedia SDK, and the sample apps on our portal. You can also access the source code for the sample apps hosted at the CodeLinero. Thank you for watching.